I do an essential maintenance routine on my tubeless tires every 4 months, or after a puncture to keep them ride ready. First, I remove the valve cap and take out the valve core. Sometimes the valve core is clogged with some sealant, so I clean it with soap and water and lubricate it with a bit of WD-40. If the valve core is damaged, I replace it with a new one. Next, I shake the sealant and add sand to a syringe, like this one from AliExpress. For a new MTB tire, I use about 90 ml of sealant. For routine maintenance, I usually add around 50 ml. I insert the syringe into the valve and release the sealant inside the tire. Then, I reinstall the valve core and inflate the tire. Finally, I spin the wheel to spread the sealant evenly inside. That's it, my bike is ready for another ride.